this video, we're going to replace the front lower control arms and ball joints on a 2009 Subaru Impreza using a Maxpeedingrods kit. Let's take a look at the included parts. We have one control arm for each side, and a pair of ball joints. These are the tools needed to replace the front lower control arms on the 2009 Subaru Impreza. An impact wrench, a torque wrench, a 17mm wrench, a socket extension, a 19mm socket, a 17mm socket, a 14mm socket, and a 12mm socket. The first step is to remove the front wheels using the 19mm socket. Remove the lug nuts, then remove the wheels. Next, raise the car. Using the 14mm socket, remove the stabilizer link nut. Use the 19mm socket with the extension to remove the control arm bracket nut and bolts. Then remove the bracket. Using the 17mm socket and 17mm wrench, remove the front control arm bolt. Use the 14mm socket for the control arm ball joint bolt. Remove the old control arm, and install the new ball joint. Install the ball joint bolt and secure it with the 14mm socket and impact wrench. Install the new lower control arm, torque the ball joint bolt to 60 Nm. Position the control arm and install the front control arm bolt and nut. Use the 17mm wrench and 17mm socket to secure the front control arm. Reinstall the control arm bracket nut and bolts and secure them with the 19mm socket and impact wrench. Torque the front control arm nut to 130 Nm using the 17mm socket and wrench. Torque the rear control arm bracket nut and bolts to 150 Nm with the 19mm socket. Position the control arm and ball joint. Secure the ball joint nut with the 19mm socket and impact wrench. Torque the ball joint nut to 60 Nm. Install the cotter pin to secure the nut. Install the stabilizer link nut and tighten it with the 14mm socket. Torque the stabilizer link nut to 60 Nm. Finally, lower the vehicle and reinstall the wheels. Thread in the lug nuts by hand. Tighten the lug nuts with the 19mm socket and impact wrench. Then torque the lug nuts to 130 Nm.